Hi guys, today we are going to take a look at what-if planning in Kelloo. Ever wished you could predict the future? What a superpower that would be. But what-if planning gives you this power. What-if planning lets you see what will happen to your projects and people if you change things around. So what kind of things can you model with what-if planning? What-if planning can be used to see what happens if you change project timings, projects take longer than expected, you hire or fire resources, or you cancel or include projects. When you perform a what-if, you can run the changes across your current plan, or you can run the changes across a scenario. Scenarios are like versions of plans and let you test out changes without affecting your current plan. You start by opening the what-if option. First, let's take a look at resizing a project. This lets you extend or compress the overall length of a project. If your project has multiple resources and pieces of work, they will all be resized to keep things in step. Simply select how many weeks you want to resize by, or hit the date selector to resize to a specific date. If you want to keep the total amount of work the same, select stretch. If you want the total amount of work to increase or decrease in line with the new project length, then select adjust. When I hit resize, the project timeline adjusts to the new length, and the utilization of my resources will be updated. Next, let's shift when the project is happening. As I shift the project, the resource utilization is automatically updated so I can see how things stand with my resources. If you need to model the effect of putting a project on hold or cancelling a project, then just hit the exclude project toggle. The project stays visible in the plan, but the work no longer gets included in utilization calculations. Up to now we've focused on project level what-if planning, but often you need to model the effect of changing your resource levels. This could be checking if hiring more people can help you get your projects done faster, or which projects you may need to put on hold if you reduce headcount. To learn how to do this, take a look at our Adjusting Resource Capacity training video. I will post a link to this in the description below. That's all for today guys, thanks for watching.